What is WordPress? It is an online, open-source website creation tool that is powerful and easy to use. You will be using this tool to create your website for the Corporate Mentor program. With WordPress, you can design, organize, and customize your website. It is important that the website highlights your persona and who you are as a potential candidate. The idea is that a recruiter can remember you by a persona that is consistent throughout the recruiting process, in networking events, in interviews, in your website, etc. Before I explain how to pick up WordPress theme, you have to have an idea of how you want to organize. Remember to have your personal or passion statement typed out and edited, and your projects and pictures in electronic format and ready for upload. To pick a WordPress theme, please type your domain/login. Once you log in, you will be taken to the dashboard. Click on Appearance and then on Themes. Remember, you may or may not have themes already in your theme library, but if you want more themes, you can click on Add New Theme. From this page, you can browse themes by featured, popular, or latest. You can even search for a theme that you already had in mind in their search bar. When you see a particular theme that you would like, click on Install to add that theme to your theme library. Once you receive a confirmation message, your next steps will be to activate the theme. To activate the theme, go back to your library theme by clicking on Appearance and Themes again. You will just have to click on the theme you want, and you can either live preview your theme or activate it directly. Or, if you no longer like this theme, you can click on Delete to remove the theme from your library. Now that you've picked an appropriate theme for your website, let me show you how to edit the general titles and background of your theme. When you click on Site Identity, there are a couple of things you can change here. The site title is a title that will appear in every page of your website. In this case, you should put your name as the title. The tagline is like a motto that usually appears beside your name. Finally, the site icon is the image that appears in the tabs when you open a browser. You can always change the image by clicking on Change Image. To go back to the customized page, click on the back button. When you click on colors, the header text color will only change the color of your tagline, not the title. If you want a different color for your title, you will need to pick another theme or you will have to change it through coding. The background color will only change if you are not using any background image. I highly encourage the use of a background image instead of a background color. Click on background image if you decide to use that as opposed to a background color. You will need to have an image already saved in your computer, and to change the image, simply click on Change Image. If you don't already have one, the easiest way is to Google background image for websites. Make sure that you choose one that is professional and suits the theme of your website. After you change your background image, there are a few things you can change. For background repeat, no repeat is a good option. You can select the background position based on your background image, and for background attachment, fixed is a good option. But you can play with these and see what fits best for your website. Another thing I wanted to mention is that you can view your website from different devices by clicking on these icons. The desktop icon is the normal view. If you click on the tablet icon, the view will change to a website in the tablet view. And you can see the mobile view by clicking on the phone icon. It is important to test all views of your website because you never know what device someone is using to view your website. Once you have reviewed that your website looks good on all devices, make sure to click on Save and Publish to save all the changes you've done so far.
Created using Powtoon.